MyCast&Crew is the self-service portal where crew members can manage their own W-4s, get their own pay stubs whenever they need them, sign up for direct deposit, and more. You can also use MyCast&Crew to access other Cast&Crew products, such as Start Plus, Hours Plus, Studio Plus, and Reporting Plus. If you've been paid by Cast&Crew, CAPS, or media services before, and this is your first time using MyCast&Crew, you'll be required to go through the registration process using the Start My Registration link. The landing page will show 3 icons, which you can use to find support and contact the employee help desk. All Cast&Crew digital products you have access to will be listed on the right side of the screen under Digital Products and Services. Click on the Application button to launch. The My Profile tab is where you can view and update your personal information, such as your address, phone numbers, and emergency contact, as well as sign up for direct deposit. My Files is where you can upload and store a collection of documents and files for you to use on current and future projects. You can also view your completed Start Plus offer packets here. My Pay Stubs is where you can search and find your recent pay stubs. My Tax Documents is where you'll view and download your W-2s. If you're being paid as a loan-out employee, you can add the loan-out information here under the Loan-Out tab. Once verified, you can also set up direct deposit for your loan-out profile. My W-4s is where you can easily create a federal and state W-4. To get your questions answered regarding MyCast&Crew, another digital product, or payroll-related questions, click the Support tab. Use the drop-down to specify your topic of question, and the system will identify the appropriate support team that will best assist you. Click the dashboard at any time to navigate back to the landing page. To learn more about MyCast&Crew or Cast&Crew's other digital products, click your name in the top right corner to find links to our Help Center and live training.